Are you sure you're old enough? Hey, thanks for joining me on another video. And hey, don't you love it when you buy something and you get a lot of use out of it, and then as you own it, you find other uses for it as well. So it's one less thing you need to go and buy or acquire or get. And I had that moment recently with Thrive Leads. Now, I've talked a lot about this. This is the plugin that I use on all of my sites to generate lead capture forms and just to generate leads on the website, because this plugin is the most powerful. I've looked at them all, and this is by far beats them all with split testing, all the different opt-in elements. It's really the most bang for the buck that you can get, and it's by a rock solid development team. But anyways, what this video is about is another use I found for this. I had a customer that needed me to make a welcome gate for their website. And what a welcome gate is if your website has anything to do with tobacco and I think adult related stuff, but I don't ever deal with adult related industry. But tobacco industry, contact me if you need any help. But anyways, that would include a hookah lounge. That's those pipes with the, I actually don't know where it originates. But I've been to them before and they're pretty cool. And here in California, what's become very popular is these vaping stores and vaping websites. And what vaping is, it's those, it's kind of like an e-cigarette, like on steroids. It's these like metal contraptions where there's a vapor and they puff out these huge plumes of smoke. It's really all the rage. So anyways, if you have either one of these sites, you need to have some kind of age verification system. It's like a law. Now, most of the age verification plugins for WordPress are really going to damage the SEO of the website, because if anyone visits the site, what it does is it sends them to a different page. And this would include Google, the search engines, and all that. And it could be very harmful if you want anyone to ever find this website in Google. So I thought, how about using Thrive Leads to create a full page popover that asks them a question, and one answer, it'll take them off the site, and the other answer, it will let them in the site. And that's exactly what I did. And I also removed the checkbox to remove it. So essentially, it's just a full screen pop-up that will block the website beneath it, but it doesn't hurt your search engine rankings. It's just a pop-up. That's all it is. But it just so happens to be taking up the whole screen, and there's no way to exit out of it. So here it is. I'm logged into the website right now, actually just on my local development machine. Thrive Leads right here, and I created a new lead group called Welcome Gate, and if I click on that, it expands the different opt-in elements you can use. And I needed to use this new one called Screen Filler Lightbox. Now, the Screen Filler Lightbox is a new feature. They keep adding feature after feature after feature. And when this one came out, I'm like, wow, this is one feature that I've been wanting for a while. So it's the Screen Filler Lightbox. So I'm going to click on Edit. And I set it to, now this isn't like a hard and fast system. Every day someone visits the site, it's going to show them this, and it's going to give them that notice. Now, we're not recording IP addresses. It's a little cumbersome to make someone enter in their birthday and drop downs and all that. It's just a yes or no question that I implemented. And what I do is I have it immediately display on page load. So when someone clicks onto the website, it's immediately going to pop up, and it's going to display that every day, because you got to ask all the time, okay, every time someone goes in. So I figure if someone goes in today and it says I'm 18, let's not have that pop up annoy them at all today, but we'll ask them again if they come back tomorrow. And then here's the animation style that I chose. Now, I needed to put a little bit of custom CSS in. So let me click into the layout builder for the pop-up. So you can see it's a full layout. So what I had to do is I had to remove this X button. And then I just used a full screen background image, and I also used a little bit of CSS to remove this white line so it would just be smooth. Slapped a logo in there, and then I added a, this site is for people over 18. Actually, here's the default state, sorry. This is what people see. I've already removed the checkbox and the white box around it using some CSS. So when someone lands here, they get this full screen background image. Someone here smoking the hookah, and right here is a button that says I'm over 18, which will take them into the website, and then this one will lead them elsewhere. Now, Thrive Leads has everything you would need to implement something like this. It's really pretty awesome. So anyways, let me show you what it looks like in action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go into a new page, and now I'm pasting it in, and I'm going to hit enter and see what happens. See, the page came up, and then boom, here's the pop-up, and I removed that X to checkbox and that white bar around, and you see I've got this nice background image, and it's simple. So if someone clicks I'm over 18, they click on that, and boom, they're right into the website. So it's as simple as that. So anyways, I love it. I love this plugin. I've used it for other creative ways too, but I found this is the best solution for a welcome gate age verification deal in WordPress. It doesn't harm your SEO. You can even see some statistics on it in their reporting. Right here, if you go into Thrive Leads, you can see some statistics right here for the welcome gate, how many impressions, which I think is pretty awesome. And it just works. It just works. It looks great. A non-developer can implement this. And on top of all that, you can use this for all other kinds of opt-in elements as well. Now, if you don't have Thrive Leads, I've got a link below where you could purchase it. It's like a lifetime license or something, and it's only like 60 bucks or 50 bucks, I forget. But I got a link below. You can go over there and check it out. Now, when you go to the site, it's not going to say, oh, use Thrive Leads to create a welcome gate. It's just one way you could use this plugin. I'm sure they'll talk about all the split testing, the reporting, all the cool opt-in elements, all the different templates that each of the opt-in elements have. But in this video, I just wanted to share with you this really creative way to get an awesome looking welcome gate with no coding at all. So anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's really encouraging to me. If you have a question about Thrive Leads, just leave it below in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer and interact with you. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, we'd appreciate it if you took a moment to click on the thumbs up button and to share this video with your friends. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and take a moment to go over to our website, leave us a comment, ask us a question, but sign up for our newsletter. Thanks again for watching this video, and make sure you connect with us on these social networks.